All right, this is in response to a viewer who wanted to know how to charge his AliExpress lightsaber. So you plug it in there and you'll hear that little beep. And then what happens is the button where you activate the lightsaber starts, there's a little ring around the button and it starts glowing very slowly like that. And that shows you that the device is plugged in and charging. So, and then usually 2 to 3 hours it's charging, and then you'll get this, which is a steady on. The ring stays steady on. It does not pulse on and off. And that's how you know that it's charged. So you plug it in and it's steady on like that, it's charged. If you plug it in and it's pulsing on and off, that means it's charging, and then once it's steady on, it's charged. So that's